The much awaited Realme Pad has a landing page on Flipkart. Last month, the listing of the retailer site showed off a slim and lightweight tablet. Now, the landing page has been updated and it showcases the device's front and rear design. The image showed that the tablet will be sporting a 10.4-inch display with a high resolution of 2000 into 1200 pixels and the thick bezel encompassing the screen. Moreover, the tablets offered an 82.5% screen to body ratio. However, the Flipkart listing does not confirm an earlier report that hinted at an AMOLED display. The tablet's rear panel houses a single camera. Moreover, since the device is touted as an ultra-thin device, it will measure just 6.9mm thickness. This doesn't coincide with earlier report that hint a 8.4mm thickness. Aside from that, the device is tipped to come in gold as well as grey color option. According to a report from TechNave, the tablet could house a 8 megapixel camera at the back and on the front. The upcoming tablet will sport a 10.4-inch AMOLED display. Under the hood, it will pack an Helio G80 chipset paired with a 4GB of LPDDR4X RAM. On the top of that, the tablet will ship with a 64GB of eMMC 5.1 storage. A robust 7100 mAh battery will be powering up the entire system. In the optic department, the tablet will reportedly feature an 8 megapixel fixed focus camera at the front and an 8 megapixel autofocus enabled rear camera. Other notable features include LTE, Wi-Fi, high-resolution audio support, HD, DTS, and quad speakers. Furthermore, there will be multiple variants of the upcoming tablet. That's it for this quick review. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. If yes, then please hit the like button and also comment the best part of this tablet that you loved about it, and also hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so whenever we upload a new video you will get notified about it.